The changeless abides with me. I am calm and peaceful in the midst of confusion. I am the Lord, I change not. Malachi 3:6. The Tao, considered as unchanging, has no name. Text of Taoism. We should realize that all the great scriptures have taught one identical message, the unity of good. All the sacred books have been inspired by the one mind. Each in its own tongue has told the story of reality. I am the Lord, I change not, was revealed to the Hebrew mystic. To the great Chinese sage came the same message. The Tao cannot change. It has no name. And to Hermans, God is in itself, by itself, full and perfect. If we can bring to this glorified conception the realization that this divine being is the breath of our breath, omnipresent, forever within us, then we shall realize that we live in one eternal and perfect mind. An excerpt from the sacred books on the attributes of God says, there is no variableness in God, since God is eternal, immortal, and infinite. Nevertheless, God is that from which every transformation arises. This means that while we live in the eternal, which does not change, we are forever drawing from it the possibility of manifold expressions that give variety to existence and that make living interesting. I know that the changeless abides with me. I am calm and peaceful in the midst of confusion. I know that nothing moves the soul. Peace, infinite peace, is at the center of my being. I live, move, and have my being in that which is perfect, complete within itself. That self is myself.